everyone, it's Mary Kojancic for Craftin Desert Divas, and today I'm going to be showing you how I put together this little Just For You card. The first thing I did was print the images out, and I used my Silhouette Studio software so that I could mirror the tulip image and have one on each corner, and then I used the sentiment that comes with the tulip image. And I'm coloring with Spectrum Noir alcohol markers, and I'm using LG5, LG3, and LG2. And I did put the Copic equivalents here. The best that I could find was YG67, YG06, and YG23. So you can see I just colored with the LG5, and now I'm coming in with the LG3. Just blending those colors along the leaves and the stems of the flowers. And now I'm going to come in with the LG2 and finish these leaves off. And I'm just going to continue to color the leaves, and we're going to speed that up in just a minute here. And again, the LG5. And here's the LG3 again. And then I'll bring in the LG2 just to do that last little bit of highlight. You can see how the LG2 really brightens up the leaves. Gives that nice highlight area there. And now we're going to speed things up. So I just continue to color all the leaves with those colors. And then I'm going to do, you got a little peek of the pink. The pinks I'm using Spectrum Noir PP4, PP2, PP1. And the Copic equivalents I found were R35, R22, and R20. And I'm just using a quick little flicking motion here with the PP4 at the bottom of the flower petals. And then after I get all those done, I'm going to go in with the PP2 and repeat the same thing, just extending those lines out a little bit further. And then the final step will be with the PP2. And for that, I come in from the top of the petal and blend it down into the previous colors. And then after I finish these flowers, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other set of flowers. And here we're assembling the card. I used the second to the largest square inside scallop square frame, and I cut out two of those, one in the glitter cardstock and one in the white, just to give it a little bit more dimension. And so here I'm just attaching those two. I used a wet glue so that I can kind of move it around a little bit if I need to. And I messed up a little when I printed, so when I glue this onto the image, I'm going to have to off-center it a little bit and trim a little bit off the bottom. So a little mistake I made, but easily fixed. And here I'm just cutting off that extra. And I have some pattern paper that I'm going to attach to my card base. Next we'll attach our colored image the card. And you can see on the back here, I did something wonky with my printer and it only printed half the image, so I just flipped the paper over and printed it again. And you know, no one will see it now, but I didn't want to waste that paper. So just center this on the front of the card. Make sure it's glued down there real good. And the last thing I'm going to do is add a couple little sequins up in the corner. You can see my bag ripped when I was opening them, but that's okay. Sequins everywhere. Okay, so I just kind of randomly dropped 3 drops of glue in the upper left corner here, and I'll go ahead and attach a sequin to each one of those. And that's it. So it's fairly quick and easy to put this card together, and it's really pretty, nice light pink and green colors. And then with the silver glitter, it's just a really nice simple card. Thanks for watching and have a great day.